This is Mia from MIMODESIGN laser files. I recently made a tutorial on how to add gold to your glass engravings. Today I'll teach you how you can really fast and easy color them with actual color. So you can turn them blue, you can turn them brown, you can use whatever color you'd like. I will use this glass of this little engraved bee to show you how you can combine the colors and get a really good result. I'll just place a napkin here so it will be a little easier for you to see once we wipe it off. I think I might use this little round piece. There you go. So if you want to master this, stick around and watch the video. I have been testing a lot of different pens, so the easiest thing that I found to work with is actually Sharpies or permanent markers. You could also use alcohol ink markers, but the colors will fade a little more compared to the Sharpies. For this rather golden color, I use these metallic Sharpies from Sharpie as well. This one was the bronze color. I can't find it right now. So it's similar to this one, but this one is silver. I don't think they left a lot of the metallic effects compared to acrylic paint if you were to use that. But it is possible to make metallic effects with the metallic Sharpies as well. But this one I want to color as the bee is. So I want to have some blue wings. I'll just grab a turquoise Sharpie. And then you just color in the lines you want. Don't be afraid to make a mess around the engraving, because you will be cleaning everything up in the end. Once I have a little more color, I will change my brown cardstock here with a napkin instead, so you can easier see it. So I want blue wings, and the body I want to be yellow, but I know that my yellow will fade a little, so I actually think I'll use orange instead. And I can always go over with the yellow. I could maybe even try to combine it and use my yellow here for the upper body. Let's give him a brown head. And the legs I'll paint black. And be careful that you don't hit the other painted areas. I'll just carefully go up here. Now I'll just shift over so you can get a better visual of the painting I just did. So this looks like a mess, but here comes the really easy part. You just grab some isopropyl alcohol. I use denatured alcohol, and you grab a cloth. So I'll just add some of this. And now you just wipe it over. Like that. And your color is stuck to the engraving. As I said, the yellow is not as visible as the darker colors. So if you want, you can go over with some darker colors and add in some new or some more if you want. And this is really cute, not just as a one color design, but if you have some engravings like this bee, for example, that you would like to color in, it's definitely possible. I have this beautiful water bottle which has a floral design, and I colored in all the details using Sharpies on the flowers. I'll go ahead and make this a totally brown bee instead. And you will lose a bit of color, but you can always go in and add some more, wipe it over, and get a better result. And as you see, the colors will blend just a little, so my too light bee is a little stronger in color now. So it can't get much easier than this. This is one of my test glasses from when I made the 400 wine glasses order that I also have a video about. So let's give this a solid color so you can see the difference. I already have the blue glass up here, so let's try and make it, should we go green maybe? So it's really easy. For these ones, I'll just color in the entire engraving. And you can run it over twice, then you'll get a little more color. Like that. And then you just wipe it off. I'll just add some more of my denatured alcohol here. And it's so easy to clean. You just wipe it over and the color will be stuck to the engraving, but everything else will not. So easy peasy. If you liked this video, please give it a like. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you want to boost my algorithms, please leave a comment either about what you think, what you want to learn from me next, or just a heart if you don't know what to write. I really look forward to seeing you again, and thank you so much for watching.